go léir, is mis sé aní chuna cór, agus táim se an seo an Gael Coláiste Bhí Cibhne, bhuair scoil nua. My own name is Miss O'Connor and I'm here in Gael Coláiste Bhí Cibhne and I'm going to show you around shortly, and I'm really excited and looking forward to meeting you all.
Tommy ansás the bunch of the chat on Gael Coláiste and linn. My name is Mr. Creed and I'm the Deputy Principal, and we're really looking forward to seeing you all next year in the Gael Coláiste.
Girls who are coming to GMS for the first time this September, just say it's a big experience, and for many, you know, it's a different year because usually you'd be down at the school, got to look around and got a feel for the school. But don't worry, we'll be here, we'll be watching out for you, and you'll be taken care of, and you'll be looking forward to hopefully a wonderful